Good morning students. Today will start a new chapter, chapter number 7, fraction. And fraction is the first exercise 7.1. First will be your simple introduction of fraction is a division of two whole numbers. They suppose is the form of first will be up and down day. It is a numerator and it is the denominator is the form of fraction. Okay, first will be exercise 1. Then write the fraction representing the shaded part. Means in this question you find the key how many parts will be shaded and how many parts will be not shaded, and fraction of shaded part. They will first will be write. First you write how many parts will be equal divide. How many parts? That the 1, 2, 3, 4. Here is the 4 part is whole in a one triangle is divided by equal 4 part. Okay, and 2 part is a shaded part. Here is the total number of division 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It means the denominator value is 9 and shaded part is counting 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That the fraction of shaded part. Fraction of shaded part of this diagram is 8 upon 9. Now next, the total 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 balls. Total 8 balls and shaded balls 1, 2, 3, 4. So there is the fraction of shaded balls is 4 upon 8. Next is first you division line, and a circle is divided into 4 part 1, 2, 3, 4. That the 4 equal part. So write the denominator value is 4 and 1 part only shaded. So your fraction is 1 upon 4. Okay, and down here will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 square are equal. Okay, and 3 1, 2, 3 part is a 3 square is a equal. The fraction is 3 upon 7. Next, here is a big triangle will divided by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 part. Revise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and then 9. Okay, the total number of equal part triangle is 9 and shaded part is 1, 2, 3 and 4. So that the fraction of shaded part of this diagram is 4 upon 9. Okay, here is a first you count how many parts of the flower is. Count the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and then be 8. So then be total equal part is 8 and shaded part is 1, 2, 3, 4. So that is the 4 upon 8 is the fraction of this diagrams. Okay, and remaining 2 diagrams you have solved. Now second question is color of the part according to the given fraction. Color of the part according to the fraction. Here the first diagram is the given fraction is 1 upon 6. 1 upon 6 means a total part of 6. That the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. They are given 6 part and a shaded part is upper side is 1. You write only any one you have fill. Okay, that any one you have fill. Okay, and second is 1 upon 4. Here total part is 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and any one part will be fill. The center part you fill. Okay, next is 1 upon 3. Next is 1 upon 3. 1 upon 3 is 1, 2, 3 parts and only one part you any one part you fill is the fraction is 1 upon 3. Okay, fourth is 3 by 4. 3 by 4 is means total number of part is 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and 3 part will be fill. So any 3 parts will be fill. There is one part. This is the second part. This is second, and this is the third part you fill. Okay, the total number of part is 3 is fill. And next is 4 upon 9. 4 upon 9 means total number of part is 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And out of 9 you 4 in fill. Any 4 fill. 1, 2, 3, and last will be this 4. 4 part will be fill. Okay, it's mean the upper side, the numerator value is showing how many number will be fill in the diagram. Okay, now question number 3. Question number 3 is identify the error if any. There the 3 diagrams are given and ratio are given that fraction, this is the 1 by 2, in diagram is asked to this is the 1 by 2, and this diagram will be one part will be shaded, and this is a fraction of 1 upon 4, and third diagram will be given in the circle. In the third, it divided into 4 part, and 3 part will be shaded, that this is a 3 by 4th. Okay, so clearly you write the fraction in any shaded diagram. First you check if the diagram is divide equal part or not equal part. Suppose a diagram is not divide equal part, you have not write the fraction. Okay, so these 3 diagrams are the dividation are not equal. Here the each part are not equal. Okay, it's mean their answer is, you write answer. Okay, the figures are not equally divided. Okay, for making fraction, making a fraction. Okay, and it is to be the figure are not equally divided, and for the making fraction it is necessary the figure is to be divided in equal part. Okay, in this diagram is always divided but is not equal part. So that not equal part means you not write the fraction. Number 4 and 5. Okay, that first will we solve the question number 4 and next question number 5. They are similarly question. Okay, that question number 4 is what fraction. Question number 4 is what fraction of 1 day and 8 hour. 1 day and 8 hour, you know that if fraction in same unit means fraction is only kilometer to kilometer, day to day, hour to hour. You have not write the fraction is hour to day, kilometer to meter. Okay, they are different unit, you have not write the fraction. Okay, now the first question is will be write now answer 4th. Okay, then 1 day and 8 hour. So first you find 1 day is equal to 24 hour. 24 hour. Okay. Now fraction of 24 hour is 8 hour. Okay, one day is a 24 hour and 24 hour and 1 8, that the fraction is equal to 8 upon 24. Okay, after subtraction 8 1 ja 8 and 8 3 ja 1 upon 3. So that fraction is 1 upon 3. Okay, and then the answer is fifth answer. What is the fraction of 1 hour and 40 minutes? Here we will not write the directly use fraction, because one quantity is a hour unit and second unit is a minutes. Okay, so first you change in 1 hour. In 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. Okay, so that the fraction is 40 upon 60. 40 minutes upon 60 minutes. 0 0 cancel. They write the 4 upon 6. All solve. 2 2 is 4, 2 3 is 6. So that the fraction is answer is 2 upon 3. Okay. Question number 6. Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek, they are 3 friends, share the lunch, and Arya has brought 2 sandwich, one made vegetable and second is a jam. The other 2 boys forget to bring the lunch, and Arya agree to share the sandwich so that each person will have equal share of the each sandwich. Okay, the total number of friends Arya, Abhimanyu and Vivek, and Arya will brought the sandwich. In the 2 sandwich, first is a vegetable and second is a jam, and other 2 boys Abhimanyu and Vivek are not brought the lunch. Okay, the first question is, how can Arya divide into sandwich of the so that each person will have equal share? Okay, so you have write the answer is answer of A. Okay, there are 1 and 2 sandwich. Okay, they are equal 3 part will be divided. 1 2 3 1 2 3. It is the vegetable and this is the jam. Okay, and 1/3 part and 1/3 part is given the Abhimanyu, and second part will given the Vivek, and third part is Arya, but he is divided. Then Arya, you write the Arya will divided each sandwich okay into 3 equal part. Okay, and give and Arya will divide each sandwich into the 3 equal part, 1 part, 2 part and 3 part, and give 1 part of each sandwich to each one of them. Okay, so the answer is first is a how to can Arya divided has the sandwich so that each person has equal share. So that the answer is Arya will divide each sandwich into 3 parts and we give part of the each sandwich to give the one of them. Second question is, what part will be sandwich will each boy will received? So that the answer is How many 1 sandwich multiply 3 part divide equal 1 by 3 part. So that is the part of sandwich is equal to 1 upon 3. Okay. So the last is this is the question number second answer. Question number 7 is Kanchan dry dress. She had a dry only 30 dress and she had so the finished 20 dress. What fraction of dress has been finished? Okay. So the total dresses is 30. Okay, and she has so finished. Now finished dresses is 20. Okay, total dress is 20, 30 and finished dress is 20. So the fraction of dresses has she finished is total 20 finished and total of dress is 30. 0 0 cancel. Its answer is 2 upon 3, means 2 upon 3 is a fraction of finished dresses. Number 8, question number 8, write the natural number from 2 to 12 and what fraction of the prime number. Okay, so that answer, the natural number from 2 to 12. The 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 and 12. Okay, and prime number, choose the prime number. Prime number is already learned in chapter 2. Okay, the prime number is 1, is 2, 3, 5, 7 and 11, and other number will be factor more than 1. That prime number is the factor itself and 1. So that the fraction of prime number. Okay, how many prime numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and total number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. The fraction is 5 upon 11. Is it right? The total number is 11, and here write the total number is 5. That the fraction of the prime number is 5 upon 11. Okay. Question number 9. Write the natural number from 102, 102 to 113 and what is the fraction of the from the prime number. It is the question is similar to question number 8. So first you write the natural number is natural number from 102 to 113. Okay, this is the answer. The one number is 102, 103, 104, 105, 106, 107, 108, 109, 1010 and 111, 112 and 113. So this is the total number is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12. Okay, and prime number, identify the prime number. Prime number, the number is only factor of 1 and itself. Here is a 103, okay, 107 and 109 and 113. Their total number is 4. Total number is 4. Okay, so that the fraction of prime number is 4 upon how much? 12. 4 upon 12. After cancellation, 4 1 ja 4, 4 3 ja 12, to 1 upon 3. This is the answer of 1 upon 3, the fraction of prime numbers. Now next question is question number 10. What fraction of this circle have x in them? This is the 8 diagrams will given circle and 4 diagrams will fill the axis. So the fraction is how many axes? 1 2 3 4. So that 4 and our total circle is 8. So this is the 4 upon 8. After cancellation is 1 upon 2. 4 1 ja 1, 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4 and 4 1 ja 4 and 4 2 ja 8. Okay, and this is the last question of question 11. And Kristen received a CD player from the birthday and she brought the 3 CDs and 5 CDs will be received in the as gift. What is the fraction of the total CDs that is the buy and what fraction she receive the gift? So you have right that the solve the answer is total CDs is 3 plus 5 is equal to 8 CDs, because 3 is a brought and 5 is a received as gift. And first is a this is a fraction is fraction did she buy, then the buy is only 3. So this is the 3 upon 5. Okay, and second is a fraction and she received in gift is 5 CDs. They write the 5 sorry, here the CD is a 8, total CD is 8, the fraction is 3 upon 8 and here is 5 upon 8. So that the fraction of Shiva is the 3 upon 8 and this is the 3 upon 8 and second is a 5 upon 8. Okay.